This is indeed a matte porcelain, concrete-look tile range, seen here in ash, and created with passion by Spanish tile masters, STN Ceramica, featuring unique InOut technology, where microscopic granules are applied to the tile to deliver a fine uniform coating that results in a comfortably smooth, yet slip-resistant surface. These innovative large-format tiles are ideal for use both indoors and out, creating a velvet-textured seamless flow of the same floor throughout. Another standout attribute of Indeed Ash is its rectified edging, which results in tiles with very consistent dimensions, ensuring that each tile is exactly the same size. These uniform edges allow for tight, minimal grout lines that help create a sleek and seamless appearance. Add to that a canvas layout, where tile die cuts are applied to an extended canvas to ensure the absence of repetitive patterns, and you have a flooring solution with a unique type of fluidity. Indeed, Ash is also incredibly durable, easy to clean, and resistant to stains, scratches, temperature extremes, chemicals, UV, and fire. The range is ideal for high-foot traffic areas and is available in 4 versatile and practical colors that will excel in several scenarios from kitchens to patios while maintaining an impeccable appearance. Stylnul Ceramica and Italtile have enjoyed a long-standing relationship, as both companies share similar philosophies of innovation and technology, along with the relentless search for eco-chic and authentically inspired design. Indeed, Ash perfectly interprets the contemporary minimalist trend. It is discreet, versatile, practical, and sustainable. Most of all, it possesses a flowing harmony that is ideally suited to the love of open-plan living. Shop it online or in-store at Italtile.